Can you solve this equation without mistake? Most people got wrong answer because 9 minus 9 will give us 0 times 9 plus 9 will give us 18. 0 times 18 will give us 0. This answer is not correct because according to PEMDAS, which is the order of operation, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, something like 2 square, M and D stand for multiplication and division. Evaluate from left to right. A and S stand for addition and subtraction. We evaluate from left to right. Looking at this equation, we can see minus 9 times 9. So we evaluate this first. So we have 9 minus 9 times 9 will give us 81 plus 9. And 9 minus 81 will give us minus 72 plus 9. Minus 72 plus 9 will give us minus 63. This is the correct answer. Bye-bye.